In this affiliate marketing tutorial, I will show you how to create a done-for-you affiliate marketing funnel in a few clicks. We will be able to kill 3 birds with one stone. We will create an email list, import the funnel pages in a few clicks, and generate targeted traffic. So in a few clicks, you will get this same landing page to build your list of subscribers, and you will also get this same thank you page where you will deliver the training and recruit affiliates for LeadSLEAP and the other recurring commission programs. As you can see here, we will be promoting LeadSLEAP on the button here. We'll be promoting GetResponse and System.io, and all these programs offer recurring commissions, so you will be paid month after month when you recruit with these programs here. So when you import these 2 pages here, you will be able to connect your own email list to this form here, and you will also be able to change the affiliate links on these buttons here on the page to put your own affiliate links to earn recurring commissions. Now the share codes for these pages, the landing page and the thank you page, will be put here. So you can grab them here to import these pages here to your LeadSLEAP account. So the first thing we want to do in order to replicate this funnel is click on this button here to join LeadSLEAP if you are not already a member, or this button here. Once you create a LeadSLEAP account, which will be free by the way, you can create a list and import these pages for free, but you will see later why you should upgrade for LeadSLEAP. So now let me show you my LeadSLEAP dashboard. As you can see here on the left hand side, you have all the tools that you can use with LeadSLEAP. If I go to list manager here, I will see my email lists. If I go to page manager, I will see all the pages that I created. If I go, for example, to affiliate commissions, you can see these are my earnings. Like for example, this one is will be released in 3 days, 5 days, 8 days, etc. And by the way, you can earn 25% recurring monthly commission if you are a free member on LeadSLEAP, but you will earn 50% monthly commission if you are a pro member. And as you can see here right now, I am a pro member. It says it here, pro. And actually, I recommend that you go pro on LeadSLEAP at least for the targeted traffic that you will receive for your other businesses, because you will be able actually to show your ads in the right hand side here, and also in many other places like partner websites, the emails that are sent out, etc. And you have lots of ad to put. You have in total 13 ads to put, 10 as a pro member and 3 as a free member. And also you can create unlimited lists with unlimited subscribers, with unlimited autoresponders and broadcasts. You can create unlimited pages, trackers, rotators, etc. Plus, of course, the 50% recurring commission. So if you have a chance to upgrade to pro, that will be a great deal to do. Now let's go ahead and create our email list. After that, we will import the pages, and the last step will be promoting the funnel, and the system will work for us after that. So let's go ahead and click on list manager here. Once there, we click on add a new list and then give it a name, 3 birds for example, and then click add now. Then we click on this button here to set up the list, give it all the settings that are needed for our list, and then we click on this button here to customize the welcome email. We want to put the link of the thank you page inside the welcome email. We will also need to put some information here. So quick settings needs to be done. This is the list name. This is the brand name. It's not necessary. Brand color, not necessary. Redirect URL after verification is important. This is actually the thank you page URL. So we will get back here later when we import the thank you page and then bring the link of that thank you page here. The sender's name, the sender's email address, you need of course to be a valid email address, because you will have to click on this one here, send the code. I will do it now. It says that the verification code have been sent. I need to bring that code from my email address and put it here so I can verify that this is my email address. Then you put your real physical mailing address, and then you put a signature here. For example, I put regards, my name, and a website. And here you tick where you want to put the signature. I mean, welcome email, email series, broadcasts. So I tick them all. I want my signature to go on the footer of all the emails I send out to my subscribers. So let me go ahead and check if I received that email. Okay, action needed, your email verification code, and here is the code that I needed. So I just copy the code from my Gmail, go back to LeadSLEAP, and then paste it here. And now I want to accept the conditions, and remember that I need to come back here later to put my or your thank you page URL here, and then you save and activate. So this list is now activated. Good. So we have a list that is active. Next thing, you want to customize the welcome email. You click here, the welcome email and the verification email. This email will go out when someone fills the form and clicks the button. It will go to his email address and click the link on the verification email. So you don't need to touch this one here or mess with it. But this one is the welcome email. So after the subscriber verifies his email, he will receive this email here. Thank you for subscribing to my list. Here is the download link or the thank you page as you want. And it's very important to put here the thank you page URL so that your subscribers will find it on their email, click it, and get to your thank you page. So I will get back here later to put the thank you page URL. Now if I click again on list manager, here is my list. I just need to remember to come back here to put the thank you page URL in two places. Now let's go ahead and import the landing page and then the thank you page. I want to go to page manager here, page manager. As you can see, I don't have any pages yet. I'm going to click add a new campaign, and I will give it a name like the other one, 3 birds, and then click add now. So now I have a campaign, I have a URL for my new landing page. But instead of building this landing page, I'm going to import it using a share code. So what you want to do is click on this plus here, add a new page, import using share code, click on it, and then here it will ask you for the share code. So you right click here and then paste your share code. So now I'm going to put the real share code here and click this button here. Once I click it, I see that a new page has appeared with 0 views, etc., and it is already active. So if I click on this link now, I should see the landing page. Okay, so now you have your landing page already done for you, and this is the link for your landing page. Let's go back. There is one thing that I want to do is actually relate this landing page to the list that I created earlier. So I will click on launch editor here so I can modify or do any changes on the page, and this is the editor. And what I want to do here, it says invalid ID. I click on it and then click get list ID, and here is the list I created earlier, 3 birds. So click on it and then just save. So now I have my list, SendSteed 16033. This is my list, and then if I want to go back to modify or edit anything on the page, I can click here, and I have the tools here to modify anything I want. I created a list, and I created the landing page, and I attached it to the email list I created. Now it's time to import the thank you page. And for that, you need to go back to the thank you page that you have, and you grab the thank you page share code from it here. So you will copy it from this place here and go back to your LeadSLEAP account. Once you get the share code for the thank you page, you have to click on add new campaign again as you did earlier, and then you can call it, for example, thank you, like this, and you click add. So now I have a new campaign called thank you, and I want to import a page. So I click on this plus here, and I put the thank you page share code here, and then click import now. So I just did import it, and as you can see here, I have another page, 0 views, and it is already active actually. And if I want to modify it or edit it, I click on launch editor. And by the way, I don't have to attach it to the list actually. I attach only the page where the form is. Now, while waiting for this, this is the thank you page. One thing that is very important to do as soon as you import this page is change the affiliate links. So you need to put your LeadSLEAP affiliate link on this button here. You select the button, and then you go where it says action. It is here, button type, go to website in a new tab, and you put your LeadSLEAP affiliate link right here, and then you click save. So same thing, you go down here and you put your LeadSLEAP affiliate link here, you select the button, you put your affiliate link here, and you save. You go down as well here, you put your get response affiliate link, you click on the button, you put your get response affiliate link here, and you go ahead and register an account with System.io. It's free to register, and you can bring your affiliate link and put it right here. So you are promoting LeadSLEAP, GetResponse, System.io, which offer recurring commissions. Of course, you go down a little bit and you put again your LeadSLEAP affiliate link here, GetResponse here, and System.io here. So these are the buttons where your affiliate links will be, and I prepared a few banners here for you to use in order to promote your funnel. Okay, now don't forget to save your work. Always click on this green button, save, and then if you want to preview your thank you page, you click here full preview, and it will show on the web here. So this is the thank you page that you will be sending your subscribers to, and this thank you page will have your affiliate link here and affiliate link here. The share codes will stay here, of course, and all these buttons will have your affiliate links to make you commissions. Now remember that when creating our email list, we wanted to put the thank you page URL in 2 places. So let's close this editor, and then we will go to our page manager, and this is the URL of the thank you page. So this one is the URL of the landing page. This is what you will be promoting to build your list, and this is the thank you page URL that you want to put on the welcome email. So let's click on this button here to copy it. Now it has been copied. Copy, close, and now I will go to list manager here, and then I go to settings. Remember, I wanted to put the thank you page URL here, so Control V, this is the thank you page URL, and then save the changes. Good, it has been changed. Now there is this welcome email of my list. When people subscribe, they receive a welcome email, and this is the welcome email. Click here to edit it. It says this is your download link. You can say here, for example, subject line, you can say thank you and welcome. This is your thank you page, or this is your download link. And don't forget to put the link inside the email, so people can, let me just do it like that. This is the link of your thank you page, and then save the changes. Okay, it looks like I need to put it as a hyperlink, so I click edit, select it, click on the link here, and then paste it here, save. So this is now the link for the thank you page embedded in the thank you and welcome email. So like this, we are done with the funnel. So all you have to do then is go ahead to Page Manager, grab your link. And by the way, I wanted to tell you that if you were a pro member, you can replace this part of the URL by a word that you want to use. Like for example, I could do here /3birds and here /thank you, but with a free account you can't do that. Anyways, you can just grab this link here. I will open it in a new window, and this is the link that you will be promoting to build your email list and make recurring commissions at the thank you page. I wish you success. Thank you very much for being here, and I will see you on my next video.